To integrate a digital classroom platform with educational tools. Start by accessing the platform through a web browser or app store. Simply type in the website's address, and you will be redirected to a page where you can set up an account. Once your account is created, you can begin the integration process by signing in and navigating to the dashboard. From there, click on the Setup and Settings option. Then select Integrations from the drop-down menu. Browse the list of available integrations or search for specific tools you want to connect with. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your classes with the chosen educational tools. Note that not all tools may offer integration, so it's essential to research beforehand and ensure the platform you choose allows integration. By following these steps, you can successfully integrate the digital classroom platform with various educational tools, streamlining your educational activities and enhancing your overall experience.